Hello, my name is Steven Amorte Garcia. I am a student of Logic, Process Coordination and SENA. Today, I'll go to talk about tourist place in my region. The place is Puerto Lopez, also known of the Youth Colombia. It is very interesting and an important place is Meta. Puerto Lopez is located in Meta, Colombia. It is near Villavicencio, around 1 and away. This place is part of Interplain of called Los Llanos. Is very Bifu Biko is considered is geographic center of Colombia. Many tourists visit this place every year. This place is very beautiful and natural. It has an wild and scenic climate most of the year. This classic ingredient open and peaceful compared to big cities is corn and less street food. It is perfect place to relax and enjoy nature. In Puerto Lopez, there are many natural elements. There is Meta Rivers, which is very important for the region. There are also plants, trees, and animals. Turkan bear count and on their olives. The people are friendly and hold a strong cultural tradition. One import element in Monum called the New Colombia. This moment represents its geographic center of the country. It is located and boys use visitors the new fort. From the plains you can beautiful panoramic view the plains in very symbol peoples for Colombia. This plane which me flown in peace happens in the can count and very rebuilt and feel comfortable and free one being visit place. I sure this plane because is very Spanish in my region is mind open in their grand people is visit and enjoy night. Thank you. Gracias.